Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a filter from favorite list in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already import a video and I want to add a filter. Let's say I want to add filter, so I'm going to go to filters, and in here to see your favorite list, you can click on this save or favorite icon, this one, and these are my currently favorite filters. So if you want to move one of them, you want to remove it, you can just long press on the filter, and just like that it will be removed from favorites. Click on a check icon and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.